Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take the wheel off on the right side of the car, and the reason we're going to do that is because we need to get inside over here to release the fan belt. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out this screw here and these two clips right here, and we're going to remove this cover. So let me pull them off and I'll show you how it goes. What you get these clips off is just get underneath here with a screwdriver and you pry on it and they just come right out. When you pull it out, I'm going to take the whole assembly totally out. That's what they look like. And we're going to need to use these over again, so don't lose them, don't break them. All right, fairly easy. Right, you just pull up this piece right here, and then you take the whole assembly right out. And we have another one down on the bottom there we're going to be removing. And then leaf here. Takes that out. And then we're going to remove the bolts right here. These little tiny bolts that hold it in place right here. Unscrew them. Same thing underneath the bottom, right here. You may be able to just loosen it to pull it down out of the way, so we'll see how it goes without taking the whole thing out. Okay, I do see another clip right underneath here. Pry it out. And then pull the whole thing totally out. And let's see how much room we got. We can probably just do it just like that so we can get in there. And just leave it just like that. Tensioner right up in here. This piece right here is your tensioner. And what we're going to do is we're going to get in here in that little notch right there with a 3/8 drive ratchet, and we're going to pry up a little bit on it, and we're going to remove the fan belt. So let me grab a ratchet and I'll show you how that's done. After looking how close this is, how tight everything is in here, I am going to be removing the shield underneath the bottom here to give us a little more room to work on it. So we're going to take out this other screw right up underneath here. And then we're going to take out this one here, and we'll pull that cover off. It gives us enough room now to get up underneath here and take out that fan belt off the idler pulley. So I'm just going to show you this is a real tight squeeze up in there, but there's a tool that you can get in there with. It's a very thin wall, and you can get in here and just release the tension on the belt, and you take it off the pulley, and then you can let it back up. Now the belt is released. I'm going to take it off the alternator, and we'll take it right off the car. This is actually wedged up against there. We're going to leave it right there for now, or you can just pull it out of the way, whatever you choose. I'm leaving it in there because it's going to be a little difficult to put it back in. Next thing we're going to do is just going to put the belt on the way we took it off. what I always do is put the belt up in there around this here, and then just pull the last piece on, and you can put it around the air conditioner. Alright, and then once you have the belt on, we're going to take our tool back out, and just make sure that your belt is on the pulley here, and here, around your tensioner right there, and up on your alternator, which is right up inside there. Alright, let's lower it down. We're going to reconnect the battery, and we'll get it started. Side here where we took off the covers, we're going to put those covers back on, and that's it. We're all set. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.